Okay. How's it going? Give me a sec. Yo, what's up, Cursed? How's it going? Welcome back. Welcome back. Oh, wait. Give me a sec. My desktop. Hey, heck up. Okay. Let's open up some Dash for Your Life. How are we doing? Cursed, do you prefer watching on YouTube or Twitch? I'm actually curious. Back to sleep. Oh, never mind. Feels bad, man. Feels very bad. That's okay. We're just gonna be grinding. Where's my music? Okay. Did I just... Nebsy. Wait, hold up. My... Nebsy. Thank you for the tier 3. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nebsy, can you type in chat? Wait, hold up. It's not working. Nebsy. I saw the notification. It popped up on the side, but it didn't actually do in my chat. Wait, give me a sec. My channel. Where's my chat? Chat. Test. Okay, it does work. Yo, Nebsy, thank you for the tier 3 subscription. Thank you. That's insane. Yo, what's up, Nepuvir? How's it going? Welcome back. Nebsy, thank you for the tier 3. How are you doing? I really appreciate the support, my friend. Welcome back to the club. That's actually crazy. Thank you. How many months is that now? 57 months of subbing, and a significant number of them tier 3s. You single-handedly have bought me like groceries. Bro, that's actually crazy. Yo, are you playing any Deadlock? Dude, I'm waiting because I know that there's supposed to be a new patch coming out. I think that's what people say. But I've been having a lot of fun playing Ivy. A lot of fun, but I think I need to take a break from the game. It's addictive. Under another name. Oh, I got you. Tarkov. I've been watching Summit play some Tarkov. I don't like the game myself, but big patch. Yeah. New heroes and stuff like that. I really am enjoying the game, but it seems like so many people are like complaining about it, you know? So it's like, ugh. But I don't know. I don't think the game is as bad as people say. We'll see. Cryo, welcome back. My #1 hater. Skyblock, I have not been playing. I heard there's a Toda Dash for Your Life alpha test. Yes, we did alpha test. I mean, it's the version that I have here. Pre-alpha. I still consider it pre-alpha because I think alpha is once the game is done. So it has 3 levels, bunch of achievements, not a bunch, a few that you can unlock stuff. Just basically testing out all the systems. Dude, yeah, no, Nebsy. I got into Phantom and it's not enjoyable. Like, I don't know, man. I don't enjoy playing the game as much in Phantom. It's like, you play the game, you're having fun, and then out of nowhere, somebody kills you in 1.25 seconds. And that's it. That's all that happens. Let's Go shows on stream. On screen? Wait, what? What shows on screen? Max. Yeah. I haven't talked to Max in a while. But yeah, no, it's pretty bad. Oh, chat shows on stream. Yeah, so we got YouTube on the top and we've got Twitch on the bottom. But Cryo, what do you think? Because it's gonna be blocking the stuff over here. I feel like I kind of can't do anything about that, you know? There's some funky visual stuff. Not really. I mean, it's all buggy and ugly, but it looks like boo-boo. Doo-doo, not boo-boo. Wait, give me a sec here. Yo, what's up, Sharp Black? Welcome back, my friend. Can't you key out the gray? I tried. It didn't work. So I'm going to open up this. Hopefully there's nothing. Oh, is there anything that you guys could see that would be bad? Okay, there's nothing that you guys can see that's bad here. So let me fix this out really quick. This is gonna be trippy. So Twitch chat is here. Oh wait, maybe I don't want to do properties. Hold up. So wait, is this showing the bottom? Oh no. Okay, so I need to keep it 400, but what I could do... Oh. I think I can key out the gray. I think for now, I'm just going to keep it. But it would be nice if I could... What is it called when you key out a color? Filters, maybe? Color key. Oh, I got it. I got it. It's in filters. Oh. There we go. Does that work? I think that works. Yo, what's up, Mist? Is the level editor easy to make? No, I actually suggest if you are making a game, do not make a level editor. It is a pain in the butt. Truthfully, pain in the butt. What do you think about the chat here? Do you guys like both of the chats above, like one above, one below, or do you think I should do both above, like both below here? I kind of like both below. What do you guys think? You guys decide. I'm cool with anything. Maybe we put me up here? No, maybe not. Maybe I go over here? And then we put this here? Yo, what's up, Cryo? Welcome to the YouTube squad. Yo, Nebsy, thank you so much again for the tier 3. I really, really, really appreciate the support. Do you guys like this? Do you guys like how it's on the left? And then there's the chat and stuff? What do we think about that? Can you even see the chat? Like, is it even visible? That's a really good idea. I'll do that later. I'll add the logos. I'll add visible. I also would like to make them shorter because they're very tall right now. I don't know how to do that. I need to crop it somehow. I don't know how to do that, I'm gonna be honest. That's okay, we can figure that out later. Yeah, thanks for the help with choosing that. But do you guys like the position that it's in right now? Is it a good position? I know it's a little bit messy. Yeah, I'm using OBS. Wait a second. Interesting. Okay, well, hopefully... Is it cutting? I'm pretty sure it's cutting out the beginning of people's names. Maybe I'm tripping. Serpent emoji when? That's a great question. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. Okay, so I need to work on the editor. I redesigned what I want it to look like. Because right now... Clicking it, going to transform. Oh, okay, sweet. So right now the editor is not so hot. I'm talking about the UI. I'm changing this. Changing this. Right now it just looks like a GD 101 ripoff, you know? So ideally we change that. There's a bunch of bugs. I think stream is kind of delayed. No, I don't think so. If you're on YouTube, yes, I think so. YouTube delays it quite a bit. I don't know why. Kind of weird. Okay, so I wrote down a list of stuff that I have to work on. Let's start doing things one by one. Oh God, this is gonna be so fun. So this is the big one. I'm trying to overhaul the code because the code is really bad, but not too much. I also need to overhaul the UI. So design the actual UI and then overhaul code. Overhaul code. Those are the two things that I want to do. Okay. Oh, hold up. So where's the color picker? So what does this do? On color channels. Yo, what's up, Matthias? Welcome back. Quickly switching to YouTube, test the stream delay. You might have to send another message. I didn't read that immediately. How's it going, Matthias? Welcome back. Yo, again, Nebsy, thank you for the tier 3. I really appreciate it, homie. Really, really appreciate it. So, E. I said that exactly when you sent it. Do I have a pop-up? I have a properties pop-up. Oh no. Difficult to put ground spikes on big slopes. Really? I don't think so. Like, here's a big spike. Ground spike. I think it's this one. There. Done. It's just the third rotation option. Okay. I am gonna add a rotator thing. On edit trigger pop-up. Self.properties pop-up. So what else uses property? Toggle editor pop-up. Editor properties. Edit trigger. Okay. ground spikes didn't align with so. Oh, weird. I need to just redo all of this code, man. It's just so bad. I might just spend the day looking through all of it. Oh man. Okay, here's a bug. Okay, let's tackle things that are easy to do. Scale should offset as well. That's an easy thing to fix. Flipping is not centered. That's an easy thing to fix. That's a bug. Simple little bug. This is a tough bug. This is a tough bug. This is UI. Editor layering. So editor layering, I'm also gonna have to change that in levels because this has, yeah. So I'm changing these. I'm gonna add a total of 6 custom backgrounds, 3 custom backgrounds, 3 custom foregrounds, I think. So there's gonna be I see. Okay, so that's actually a problem. Wow, there's a lot of layers. Glorp. Okay. How do I do this here? Horizontal. For object. So here, select, oh no. I'm using the center of mass, but I want to use... So here's an example of why it's not working. So if we go here, check this out. So here, we have these objects. Let's delete this. Watch this. Flips perfect. But if you change the center of mass, because it's flipping it around the center of mass. Oh, interesting. So this is the center of mass, though. That's not the actual center. The center is massless. So the actual center takes the leftmost and the rightmost and divides it by 2. Yeah, I changed the icon hitboxes. Massless. I don't care. What? So Oh. Oh! No, I don't even need to make a new function. I just need to change. We don't want it to be around the center of mass. I'm adding a new variable. I don't care. Okay. So var max and var min. So now we iterate through all. So for I in range num objects, what we're gonna do is if the selected object position dot x is greater than. So I have to do 4 if statements here. You could argue there's some way to do this with a for loop, but I don't care. Yo, what's up, Alfie? Welcome back. How's it going? Do you have text shadow enabled in the on-screen chat? I don't know how to do that. Let's figure it out. I don't think it has. Oh, I would have to on the website I sent. Yeah. Give me a sec. Oh, wait. Are you a never nester? I actually don't remember what never nester is. My code is ass. I don't care. It works. And it works well. I don't know if it works well. So position X. Wait. I'm pretty sure it's just max plus min divided by 2. Avoid deeply nested code. Oh. Yeah, I definitely nest stuff. I think it's just this. I hope it's just that. Wait. I mean, there's only one way to find out. Oh, I should have checked it one more time. Whatever. I don't think that's what it's supposed to do. Ah, because it is... I see. It's not max plus min divided by 2. Wait. Wait, let me just double check this. X is greater than max X. X. Mm-hmm. So why is this not working? Isn't it just min plus max minus min divided by 2, which equals that? I mean, this equals the exact same thing. What happened to Project Dark? This game, I see more potential. And that was more so of a prototype just for fun. Okay, so it's still doing that. It got lost in the dark. What a joke. Why is this not working? Why 0? Max. So. Ah ha 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 ha. And this should never happen. We'll see. There we go. Something. So this one works as you'd expect it to, I think. See, sometimes it doesn't snap. Okay, so there. Now. So it is working as I expect it to for that one. But not for that one. And that is because Wait. So it should, I mean, this is the exact same. Max plus min divide by 2. It's identical. It's no different. But, yo, what's up? I cannot say your name. I swear. I'm so sorry. Hey, Sejorover Pulse. Oh no. Okay, so it works left and right. Does it work left and right? It does. Let's see what happens if we copy paste it. Yeah, so that works, but then it's moving down. Let's see if it converges to a point. It does. So it's converging to somewhere. So let's figure out why. The SJ is pronounced sh. Shorover Pulse. What language is that? And I think that has something to do with the fact that Y positive is down. Let's just double check my logic for the Y. If selected object's position dot Y is greater than max Y is equal to dot Y. If selected objects dot position dot Y, what an idiot. There we go. So now it no longer uses the center of mass, it's using the absolute bound. So please tell me. Okay, what happens if we... what happens? Well, maybe that's not that bad. Okay, that does what I want it to do. That does not do what I want it to do. That's okay for now. Okay, give me a sec. I gotta push to GitHub. This is good enough fix for this. Oh. Oh. Whatever. Some blocks have hard-coded flip logic for that reason. I'm not gonna have hard-coded flip logic because my brain is massive. And I am going to... I already have a solution for this. I know exactly why this happens. So I'm not actually that worried about it. Yo, what's up, Waleem? How's it going? Okay, so we fixed that bug. That's good enough for now. Flipping is not centered. Okay, now the next thing that I want to fix is the scaling of objects. So right now, it doesn't modify their position as well. So watch this. Boom, watch this. Scale, no bueno. It needs to scale with them. So, how do we do that? On scale up. So, I'm doing pretty good. I'm doing pretty good. This is so stupid. Coding games? Yeah, I'm working on my game. water. This is my game. It's a simple little platformer. Inspired by two of my favorite games ever, Geometry Dash and what's the other one? Little Big Planet. That's the other one. So it's inspired by those two. I'm not giving you the 10 USD. Damn it. I could have used that, you know. I could have used that 10 USD. So. I have no idea what this code does. Oh, I get it. I get it. This is really stupid. So we actually need, okay, so. Yeah, I like Little Big Planet a lot. We're gonna add a function called scale selected objects. Scale. It's a vector 2. Returns nothing. So what this function is going to do, so this here is actually going to scale, wait. Got it. I hate that I do this way. I really hate this. I can show you a little bit about the game, Waleem. So like I said, it's inspired by Geometry Dash and Little Big Planet. So you can see very similar resemblance to GD right here. You've got characters that you can unlock. You've got different color channels that you can unlock. You do them through achievements. You have statistics. Here's the achievements in the game right now. Got 3 levels right now. You gotta, you know, beat this one to unlock the next one. But the difference is it's a platformer game and you can use the mouse to interact with stuff. So that's the biggest thing. So these are like point bubbles and you use the mouse, you pop them. So the biggest difference between this game is that you have the mouse input. And then there's monsters that come after you. So this, for example, is a big red monster. He's coming after you. So it's a kid-friendly, like, it's not a, I'm not gonna say it's a horror game, but like it will like make you a little bit like spooked. Not spooked, but like stressed, you know? Scaling should never change the center of mass. This should be... Never know you coded games. No, this is my first one. I mean, I've done some prototypes before, but yeah, you can say it's kind of yeah, it's kind of like Peaceful, except not as scary because Peaceful is like an R-rated level. Okay. So here, so I think I need this code here. First 20%. No, not even. Like, it's just, I think it's a little bit different because I think Peaceful is like actually kind of creepy, you know? This game's not going to be creepy. It's going to be more like, I don't know, like it's not supposed to be scary. It's just supposed to be like stressful. Oh. If you scale something, yes. Okay, I know how to do it. So this here, trying to make first rated level is overwhelming. I think it's quite challenging now. If I have any suggestions to make a rated level in GD, make an easy level. The harder the level you make gets, the higher standard and higher quality it has to be to get a chance at rating. Factory burning in Molten, that's actually a sick theme. Okay, so this still works. And now it's just a function call. I actually want to check something. Yeah, see, they all become the same size. That sucks. Got the block design still in the thirst. Yeah, I always found layouts quite challenging for myself because I was never very good at making gameplay. Yeah, I think my gameplay was quite bad. So, scale.x. What I need to add now is there actually needs to be a position offset. So what I also need to do we can do it after we scale it. It doesn't really matter. So here, var position underscore offset is going to be equal to object dot position minus selected object center. Right? Then object dot position, oh, this is really easy, is equal to selected object center plus position offset times some multiplier. I think that's what I have to multiply it by. Captain's out. Huh? What did you just say? What level are you talking about? Do you value your life? Hey, it worked! It didn't work. Damn it. Oh yeah, you can see that it starts to get... Why is that? Levels have a lot of charm. I don't think I inspired it. There were other people who did theming as well. I really enjoyed themed levels, so I'm glad that people started doing them a lot more. I always thought that themed levels were the most fun kind of levels. Yo, what's up, TK? Oh wait, yeah, TK, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. What are you up to? I'm working on an editor. We're fixing a bug right now. We're fixing a bug where you can see when I scale these objects. Actually, this is a bad example, these ones. Give me a sec. Check this out. When we scale these, some wonky, you see it starts to separate. Huh. So we're trying to figure out why. That's why. You need to take into account the actual scale of the thingy, I think. We'll find out. I can't delete that. That's weird. Another bug to fix. Oh, that didn't work. That's why. I think this is what we have to do. Damn it. I don't like this new camera placement. I'm sorry, ninjas. I had to move it because otherwise people were always like, that was my imaginary brother. I knew it. I knew you had an imaginary brother the whole time. I've been telling you this for 70 years now. But no, I moved the camera placement because before, otherwise it's just like getting flashbanged, you know? All you see is the flashbang of the window. You'll get used to it. You just get a better view of my luscious locks on my head, you know? And my major balding. My early onset balding. Okay. No, it has nothing to do with the current. It has nothing to do with the current scale. It has absolutely nothing. So it has to be vector 1. But is it? What if we times it? I'm also over here. Oh shit. You do get a better view of my face, yeah. And that's what we all wanted, right? No? Oh, shit. I don't understand why. Okay, we're gonna open up Steam. We have to go to Aseprite now. Damn it. I was trying so hard to just do it in my head. But I don't think I'll be able to. Aseprite time. New. Okay, so we have an object. Oop. We have, I don't know, this is just circles. Boom, boom, boom. Here's the center. Now we're scaling it by 2, which means the size of these is going to double. So the size doubles, but the position will also double in both X and Y. So this is the scale going from that one to that one. Going there, and going there. So if this is the origin, we have X, Y, and then we have X2, Y2. The scale is times 2, so it will always be times 2. If the scale times 2's, the position times 2's. So that's fine. So, but if this object, okay, so I got it. Wait, I got it. Come on. I know what it is. Dude, it's literally in my head. I can't get it clear. The problem is 0.5 scale becomes bigger and bigger and bigger. Wait. come on, dude. I know what it is. It's in my head. I just can't get it out. Oh, I know what it is. It's, the problem is, okay, let me illustrate what it is. So the problem here is this is a 0.5 increase, but if we times it by zero, like if we increase the size by 0.5 again, it's going to be the same amount. Bigger. But the way I have it set up right now is I'm pretty sure it's gonna double the distance. Again, because here it doubles the distance, so it will actually overshoot. Because I'm doing 1 plus 0.5, but since that is multiplying, it's basically like getting, this value is going over and over, so 1.05 becomes very big as you keep scaling, like, to the power. Like 0.5 will no longer be 0.5. It's going to start to be a huge, I can't explain it, bro. I know what it is. That's what it is, but I just, so let me figure this out. Give me a sec. I'm going to remove that for now. You want to fix the problem? See, okay, do you see what I mean? The first one works, the second one does not. Let's try and see what happens. Let's see. So does the first one work? It does not. Wait. So it has something to do with, we need to know the scale. Cause I'm an idiot, bro. What is this? Wait. Yeah, what is this? No, this is the problem. I take the object scale and I add the object scale times the scale added. What is that? No, that's the stupidest code I've ever seen in my life. That makes no sense. Yeah, that's the problem. The problem is, instead of doing this, what I should actually do is just take the sine of this and multiply it by this. I think my actual logic for the other part is fine, maybe. Because oh. Yeah, this logic was wrong. It was used for an old thingy that was stupid, and whoever wrote it should never write code again. Yo, what's up, Star Jareen? You're still working on the app game? I am, yeah. I'm really enjoying working on it. It's fun. I mean, I feel like this should just work, but it's not going to work. So let's just see what happens. Okay, let's pretend that it works. Bro, why are they launching into outer space? Okay, that's okay. I think that's an improvement. So what I want to do is not add the position and see what happens. Ninjas, it stopped showing that because I think it treated it as a link. I didn't see what you wrote. So, okay, interesting. Interesting. Bro, are you silly? It's supposed to scale it. Hold up. This is very old code. I'm telling you, my editor code, this is actually the worst thing in the world. This is like trying to read old scrolls from, what was that place that got hit by a volcano way back? That everybody died? Why are you doing object scale equals that instead of plus equals? Because the scale can be negative. So I have to do equals and then take into account the sign. Okay, so Jimmy Bob, my question for you. Why on earth can I only scale it once? When I'm doing a plus. Look, once. Once. That is the question that everybody wants to know. No, this literally makes no sense. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a little print statement. People say that you should use debuggers. I say print statements are just as good. And then what we're going to do, just work. Yeah, that's really odd. I don't know why. You're doing, I think I'm doing what you told me earlier. I actually don't know. Hold up. Oopsies. Bro. No thanks. Close. Actually, go away. I keep hitting a key that opens up like Copilot or something. It actually drives me insane. I'm back. Welcome, drafted to the chores. Nice. How'd the chore draft go? Why does it not go bigger than that? I told you to up with the size and positions. Oh, I didn't see that, sorry. But yes, I'm doing what you said then. You know what's funny? I think the position code actually works. Wait. Now you're stuck here. That's okay. I don't mind that you're here. In fact, I welcome it. It's nice to have company. Okay, what on earth is not letting me do this? Scale added. I'm not good enough for you now? No, not anymore. I went so long without seeing you. So... I'm just gonna print some more stuff. Give me a sec. Coding is confusing? Yeah, a little bit. You'll get into it though. I believe in you. So this is always 1, 1. How does that make sense? Yeah, reading somebody else's code is actually crazy. That is always 1, 1. I'm sorry, what? I'm literally changing the scale. Interesting. Yeah, but I'm multiplying the sign. Oh, this means sign, scene, sign. You absolute dumbass. I am such an idiot. Holy... That blows my mind. Are you kidding me? Thank you. I am such an idiot. No. Absolute is what I want, you silly goose. I'm such a dumbass. Wow. I cannot believe I'm so dumb. That's actually so frustrating. Thank you, Cryo. My #1 hater. There we go. And I guarantee you that's why other stuff was going wonky. Wow, what an idiot. What an idiot. Okay. So now I think that this position should hopefully work, because now I'm just adding the scale to it. Because before I was doing some wacky multiplication stuff, so we'll see. It might not. If it doesn't, I'm gonna cry. Fuck. doesn't work. So we can relook at this though. That's okay. I wouldn't miss myself, I suck, but thanks. Aww. True love. Such a beautiful thing. Such a beautiful thing. Okay, so I'm deleting all that garbage code. This code is so garbage. You have no idea how ass it is. I mean, you do, because you're looking at it. So why is the position offset not working? I think the vector 1, 1 is the problem. I think this might have to be multiplied by something. Scale added. I think I got it. Wait. I got it. Nobody talk. Nobody talk. Wait, I have it. I have it. No, stop. I have it. I have it. Please tell me that you can divide vectors. I think this is it. Fuck! Why? I mean, I don't know. That feels like... Like, it looks like it's actually... No, maybe not. Yeah, no, it's slowly. Who works at Blizzard? I don't know who you're talking about. Why is that not it? Really? I used to look up to the guy when I originally saw him, but seems like there's quite a bit of drama now. He stopped streaming game dev? Yeah. That's fair. So why does vector 1, 1 not work? That's actually my biggest confusion. Yeah, it's quite sad. Why does going down? So one of them works. Oh, I see. I actually think I see it. Yeah, I see it. It has to depend on the current scale. So position, okay, I know what it is now. The problem is it has to all be referenced with respect to the scale being 1, 1, which is not what I'm doing here. I have to convert the position back into the 1, 1 position. And then I have to multiply it by the new value. That's what it is. I know what it is. So position offset, but that could be scaled. So we need scaled position offset. And this is with respect to a scale of 1, 1, 1. So that is going to be I think I'm sure that there's a function to do this. I don't care right now. What is going on? What did I press? YouTube. Oh, crowd jump scare. I think this is it. Fuck me. Ugh, sorry for swearing. That's really frustrating. I don't understand. It's something... So it's something to do with the fact... Okay, so I'm gonna move... It's something to do with the fact that, God, this is such a small problem. I should not be having such troubles with this. It is something to do with the fact I actually don't know now. I'm going to be honest. I don't understand why this doesn't. I think this is adding scale a different way than this, and that is the problem. What's up, Watid? Wait, you were already here, weren't you? Yeah, you were. Ugh? Ugh? Why? No! It has nothing to do with any of that. It has nothing to do with any of that. I was overcomplicating it. Ugh. Why is it not moving it now? It should be this. Oh, but this is what I had before. But it should be this. So now I'm confused. What? I'm so unbelievably confused. I'm gonna be honest. I might move on to something else. I actually don't understand. Let's remove any scaling stuff. And just check the position offsets. Squats time? I actually can't. Just use random transforms? Heck no. There, that's a problem. Why does that even happen? Like, to me, let's check this. So if I scale this, 1, 2, 3, there, that's a problem, I think. It should... Like, why does going up... I'm gonna lock in real quick. Got a server. Nice. X times 1.5 times 0.5. Yeah, that's the problem. I'm being an idiot. Man. I think that's what it is, Cryo. Oh. This needs to be divided by... No. I got it. Partially. So it needs to be divided by if scale added is, okay, so I'm just gonna add, I don't know why I'm being so stupid with this. So now it should be reversible. You're gonna have to dip? Oh, I miss you already. Should be reversible even though it's not working. Wow, that's phenomenal. Great game, guys. Oh. This is such disgusting code. Oh. I hate this. I just want to get it to reverse. There, see? Now it's reversing. And you can see it is moving the same. So like this should be like here next time. Like right there. Oh no, because I'm not doubling it. I'm plus 1.5. So 1, 2, here. So it is scaling it properly. Like the position stuff. Because now, yeah, see, it's going up and it's going to start getting big, 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 you know? But it's not scaling the actual size of the objects properly. Nobody say anything. Wait. So this was different than this. Okay, hold up. It should not work right now, I think. No, 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 no. Not like that. It's because I'm adding and subtracting. I'm not dividing and multiplying. It needs to be dividing and multiplying. That's why I'm being so stupid. So if scale added, okay, let's just start with adding. So this is going to be multiplying because it's a scale. You don't, yeah. Maybe. Oh, man. Is that not just it? Oh, this has to be the absolute value. This is so stupid, this code. Okay. And it's not reversible again? Why? Oh. Yeah, Minecraft music. It's like one of the few. Yes! Thank you! Oh, thank God. Thank you. That was so painful. Okay, there's clearly going to be bugs. But for now, it's okay. So it's an additive value. That's okay. I'm happy with that. So will I have a scale slider? I don't know. Great. Okay, we're gonna push to GitHub now. Or whatever you call it. Git status, git add dot git commit dash m fixed scaling multiple objects. Git push. Uh-oh. There's a chance I didn't fix all of them. We're gonna see. I was being so stupid there. Like, actually. So this here we have... Oh, it does just work. See how it makes it very big. Oh, it does just work. Thank you. Okay, great. Good, good, good. Yo, Nebsy, I don't know if you're still here, but thank you so much for the tier 3. I really, really appreciate it. And again, I apologize that I'm not streaming as much as I used to. But thank you. Welcome back to the club. Okay, we fixed it. I knew the problem the whole time, but I just was being so silly about it. Okay. Give me a sec. I'm gonna go to the washroom. Okay. Stream has reached 100 minutes. Oh. Shoot. Wait, give me a sec. Give me a sec. Okay, cool. I'm glad we got that done. So, what next? What next are we going to do in this awful code? We can delete these. Okay. 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 So, going to the notes. Scale should offset. Wow, that took way too long. So the actual UI of my game. Is this what we're going to do now? I guess so. So, I want Hmm. This is tough. Okay, interesting. What I want to do is redo everything. In the UI. It's actually kind of nice with no UI. Wait, did I add the background properly? Oh yeah, I did. I made it so that the background scales with the... I forgot about that. So I need to make the ground not visible. Mm. Yo, what's up, Damon the IDK? Long time no see, I feel like. Okay, there we go. So there's no ground. That's good. I don't like the ground in the editor. Because I have the lines there anyways. It's been like 3 days. I know. Felt like a long time. Yo, what's a bottomless game looks so nice now? Thanks. I mean, this UI looks doo-doo. Don't get me wrong, but it's getting there. It's still, it doesn't look alive enough, you know? Not enough life in the game. But we're working on it. I'm redoing this UI now. Redoing this UI. Multi-stream? Yes. That's new. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's wait, give me a second. Okay. Drink water. I got you. So, I want to redo the UI of everything. I am gonna hide every single one of these panels. And we're gonna add them back one by one. For some reason, a few weeks ago, I made a 4-minute layout in one day. Oh my god. How? Ah, you see this? That's bad. Huh? Create block tabs, that's it. Huh? What? I see. Eight or 9 hours. Holy. Wait, where are these being spawned? What? Wait. Should it not? Ah. Where do I make this UI/top visible? That's where. That is the most disgusting. I'm telling you, this UI was bad. Okay, great. So that's gone. So there should be nothing. Great. So. So I need to open up Aseprite. We're gonna make some graphics first. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, cool. Okay, so what was I doing? Oh, I need to hide my. Yo, what's up, Kirksological? Welcome back. Jump scared? Yeah, you did. That was intentional. Okay, so we're just gonna make some new quick little sprites. Again, I don't really care what they look like. That's the real, yeah, exactly. The real dashing for our lives was the dash all along the way. So what does a save thing look like? A save thing looks like this exactly. Boom, boom, boom. But then it has this corner. Like so. So it's like that, and then I'm just looking online now. Something like that. There. That looks like a save button. That's a save button if I've ever seen one. Okay. Do you draw with mouse? Mouse. I don't like tablets. I tried it before. I just couldn't get the hang of it. And I'm really used to drawing with mouse now. So different, yeah, different camera angle. So here, we're gonna do, oh God, this is so bad. Plus. Please tell me there's a back button. Well. Okay, well, screw it. We're making another back arrow. Perfect. Line tools, yeah. There we go. What do you guys think that this button does? I'm curious. What does this button do? Revert save? No, okay. It's supposed to be save and go back. Like save and go back to the menu. Dang it. I think it'll be more intuitive when you see them all together, maybe? I don't know. What do you think this one does? Delete save and go back? Fuck! It's just supposed to be not saving and going back. Just go back, then people might not know that it is not going to save. What if I use a power button? Do you think that would be more easy to understand? Whoops. Like, what if I use this? Do you think this looks more like save and quit? Scariest button I've seen in an editor. Yeah, I'm trying not to use any text. Save and power off? Damn it. Okay, you know what? You know what we're gonna do? We're just gonna use these for now. I hope that none of the playtesters get mad because their saves get deleted because they press the wrong button. Save and delete computer. Save plus a door icon, that might be better. Shit. Okay, give me a sec, guys. What size is this? 200 by 200. Okay. Save and download the Killbot virus. I think I should add one like that. So I think 200 is what it's supposed to be. Why are your eyes widening? I'm very animated. Maybe too animated. Over dramatic is another word. Okay. Meh. Wait. You should drink some. I got you, homie. Hold up. Wait. So it's this one. You guys can see, right? Okay. So. What kind of button is this? Yes, it's a UI button. Great. Save plus rip your game. Oh. I see. Oh. Okay. Okay. Base sprite. Base base. Base sprite. Base base. What's the Requiem cube? I don't actually know what that is. I'm gonna be honest. Hmm. Meh. Welcome back, Sharp Black. Cube with eyes. Oh, interesting. Which Squid Game? Oh, I'd be dead first then. I'd be gone so fast. Wouldn't stand a chance, brother. I mean, I feel like these are self-explanatory. But I also don't know anything. Save. Save and back. Okay, well, we'll see. The playtesters can get mad at me. We'll see. They're kind of confusing because they all look similar, though. Whatever. Mm-hmm. Interesting. Hmm. I gotta stop biting my nails, bro. Bad habit. Dalgona? I don't actually know. I've never seen Squid Game. I would like to. Top right. Hmm. Oh, I see. Oh, that's the one with that thingy. Hmm. So you wouldn't show up? Yeah, me neither. I'd be like, hell no, brother. Huh? I think I want the X. Or the back, I don't know. 9 hours ahead is crazy. Custom minimum, so 100 by 100. I mean, it should just work, right? Yeah, so there's the back button. Oh, I see. That's a problem, maybe. Interesting. Interesting. Huh. I'm gonna add a new child node, a canvas layer, and it's gonna be pop-up UI. Okay. What is the separation on these? 59. Wait. Okay. So that's a problem. Top right needs an area 2D. Five and 5. Okay, so I'm just gonna delete that. Okay. The reason why I have to add this is to tell the game that when I press these buttons, I don't actually want to do any activations like place objects or something. And what is the signal that it emits? So now it should not place blocks like that again. Yeah. That's a problem, you see? But you can still press that. Why can you still press that? Yeah, that's actually insane how good people are at the game now. And yet when I do this one, it's weird. Okay, well, we're fixing one thing at a time. Okay. I drew a picture of what I wanted it to look like. Oh, okay. So I actually need to change a bit. Okay, I think I'm gonna start changing stuff. So I want okay. In top bar, we have that. We have that. Okay. What's on the left? Ah, I see. So, hold up. Where's the back? Top bar. Does back not have... Oh god, this is gonna break everything. Uh-oh. So... This needs an area. The collision. The square. Like so. Like so. Like so. 5. Okay. Oh. Yeah. That's so funny when I got accused of hacking. Very valid though. I didn't have a verification video of it. I don't think the level was that bad though. And I did not hack. Okay. So... Actually, I don't think that's going to break anything. Yet. No way you're hacking right now? How? How? You fool. That's weird. Ah. I see. So... Yeah, your theory is trash, bro. Eat my shorts. Oh my god, you can do that? That's insane. I hate... I hate the fact... Oh... Like, these are just so goofy. Hmm. Why is this? Screw it. Bite the bullet. Level settings, that pop-up UI. Here we go. Everything is gonna break. I don't care. This we don't want back. This we don't want back. This we don't want back. That we don't want back. Not yet, at least. So. An ease in type. Nah, bro, it's easy. So I'm going to do okay. Fight me, bro. Pop-up menu, level settings pop-up. Okay. Now, oh, I see. It really should be its own scene. So this is a hacky way to do it. Steam award? It's not going to get a Steam award. Sadly. I will be lucky if people even play my game. Interesting. I'm thinking of turning all of these into their own scene. But we'll see. Shit. This is the stupidest code I've ever done in my life. What an idiot, man. What an idiot. Why is level settings not... Ugh, the way that I've done this is so unbelievably frustrating. It is quite stupid. Okay. Really? Okay, we're gonna change that really quick. So I need to change level settings needs to have a script. All of this functionality should be inside of level settings. That is the dumbest thing I have ever done in my life. Like, why was I so lazy? It's not even lazy, it's just stupid. It's doing more work. Ugh, that's so frustrating. Sometimes when you do something in a rush, it's quite upsetting down the road. So we'll fix that. It's not that bad of a fix, to be honest. I'm just complaining to complain. So, okay. Oh, wait, give me a sec. What was I doing? I was looking for something. What was it? I can't remember. That's okay. So, I see the problem now. Hmm. Interesting. So interesting. Wait, sorry. Interesting. So I think interesting. Interesting. Okay. Interesting. So I'm just planning some stuff for how this is gonna look. Right? Out of curiosity. Dev descend into madness? Yeah, I'm actually going crazy. How does that make sense, you silly goose? Okay. So. How's that gonna work? Interesting. Okay, sorry, I'm just kind of thinking. I do have to plan a little bit for this. I can't just jump into it because there's a lot of stuff that I actually have to do. Okay. So I want that to be gone, and I want that to be gone. Okay. Oopsies. I don't know why it always goes on that screen. Margin container. This is going to be bottom bar. How is bottom bar going to be formatted? Bottom bar is going to have two sections. It's going to have a top and a bottom. As an H box. Wrong. As a V box. The top is going to be, I don't know, another margin container. No, this is so stupid. Is it stupid? I think it might be stupid. Well, we're gonna find out. Who cares? Oh wait, I need to make a text. So, this, like so, VBox, like so, top, like so, that, like so. Sounds good. See you. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate that. Left. This, like so. This, This is a margin container, so I want $20. And then I want this to be under the right one. Because it's specifically for those. And this one to be under the left one. Again, because it's again specifically for those. Okay. Ah. Mhm. So, wait, when you place it, oh, I won't be able to test now because I've broken everything. I'm deleting editor layers because I don't want them. I don't think they're useful for me. For what I want here. So, wait a second. Okay, I might end it. I'm not doing anything too crazy right now, just kind of chilling, working on this. So it's nothing too fantastic, you know. I am making it nicer, slowly. You know what we could do? We could just say screw it. Boom. I don't care. You know what I should do? I should make a shader that is a thingy. Wow, great. No, I should make a shader that is a blurring shader. I'll do that, I think. So okay, this is making me so much happier now. It's just, it looks better. Because before it was very disgusting. And I hated it a lot. Okay. Wait a second. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to end it. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate that. I hope you had fun, and I will stream again in the future. I'm going to keep working for a bit, but I'm just going to do it off of stream because I got to do some chores and stuff as well. So thank you all for watching. Really, really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see everybody.